Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start with our maths subject, chapter number 4, multiplication and division. As we are going to continue with this chapter, we have already done with problem set 14. Now we'll start with problem set 15. So in that, question 1, solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. So here we have to solve this sum, that is division. We have to do the division and we have to write quotient and remainder. So to start with this sum, first we have to write the table of 32. So we will write here sideway, here 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, 32 fours are 128, 32 fives are 160, 32 6 are 192, 32 sevens are 224, 32 eights are 256, 32 nines are 288, and last 32 tens are 320. So here, if we try to solve this sum directly without writing the table, so we will not able to solve it, as 32 table we have to by heart. So if we will write the table aside, it will be easy for us to solve this sum. So we'll start with this sum. We'll write here solution first. We are going to write this, draw this 32, and here it will be 1, 2, 8, 4. Now we have to see the first two numbers, digits. So here it is 12. So we cannot divide 32. Yes or no? 12 divided by 32. We cannot do. So we are going to see the third digit also. So it will become 128. Is there 128 in 32's table? Yes, it is here. 32 fours are 128. Yes or no? Yes. So we'll write here 32, it is written. Fours are 128. So what we'll do here? What we'll write here? Minus sign. So when it is minus, so what the answer will become here? 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now this 4 will come down. Understood? Now what we will do? 32 and 4 is very small number. So we will divide it by 0. So what will be the answer here? 4. Got it? So we will write here answer. So the answer is quotient. What is quotient here? This is the quotient, 40. And we are going to write the remainder. So remainder is, what is remainder? The remaining number is known as remainder. So we'll write here remainder. Understood? So this is the way we are going to solve the sums. Now we will move on to the next sum. So second sum is 5586 divide by 87. So here we are going to write the table of 87. So we'll write here 87 ones are 87, 87 twos are 174, 87 threes are 261, 87 fours are 348, 87 fives are 435, 87 sixes are 522, 87 sevens are 609, 87 eights are 696, 87 nines are 783, and last 87 tens are 870. Now we'll start with this sum. We'll write here solution 2. We'll make the 87 5586. Now first we'll see the first two digits. So as it is 57 and here it is 87. Sorry, here it is 55 and here it is 87. So here 55 is the smaller number. We have to take the second digit also, third digit. So it will become 558. So we are having any 558 here? No. So we can say that number is not there. So we will take the smaller number than 558. So here it is 435. Here it is 522. So 522 is the smallest number. Yes or no? As we get the seventh is 609. So we will take this. 87 divided by 6. Sorry, 87 into 6. We get the answer 522. So we'll write here. 87 is here. We'll write here 6 522. Now we will do the minus. So 8 minus 2, 6, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 5, 0. What is the next digit here? 6 will come down. So it is now 366. Any of the number here 366? No, but here it is 342. So we will take this number now. So 87 fours are 348. We'll do the minus here. Six minus 8 we cannot do, so we'll write here 5 1. Borrow. 16 minus 8 8. 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 3 0. So we get the answer here. So we'll write here the answer. Quotient. What is the quotient here? 64. Remainder. What is the remainder? 18. Understood? Now we'll do the next sum. 1207 divided by 27. So we will write here 27 table. 27 ones are 27. 27 twos are 54. 27 threes are 81. 27 fours are 108. 27 fives are 135. 27 sixes are 162. 27 sevens are 189. 27 eights are 216. 27 nines are 243. 27 tens are 270. Now we'll do the division. So we'll write here solution 3. (27) 1207. Now we'll see the first 3 digits, 120. So any number less than 120? Yes, 27 fours are. So this is the number we will write now. So 27 fours are 108. 110. This will come 2 and 1 minus 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. 7 will come down. Now again any number? Yes, again 108. 27 fours are 108. Again what will do? Borrow 1. So 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. So this is the remainder. So we will write the answer. Quotient is 44. Remainder is 19. So we have done till third sum. Now we'll continue with the. Now we'll start with the fourth sum. We'll write the table. 41 ones are 41. 41 twos are 82. 41 threes are 123. 41 fours are 164. 41 fives are 205. 41 sixes are 246. 41 sevens are 287. 41 eights are 328. 41 nines are 369. 41 tens are 410. Now we'll start with the sum. Here 41 will come, here 8543. Understood? Now we'll take, here 2 digits are there, so we'll see here 2 digits as 41 is less than 85. So we'll take only 2 digits now. So any number less than 85, here it is 82. Understood? So we'll write here 41 twos are 82. So here 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 8 0. Now one digit will come down, that is 4. So any number 34 here? No, as it is 41. So 41 is bigger number than 34. So we'll take it here as 0. So 0 0. 41 zeros are 0. Yes or no? So 3 and 4 will come as it is. So this 3 will come here. So 343. Any number less than this? Yes, here it is. 41 eights are 328. So here I'll write here 41 eights are 328. So here we cannot do the subtraction here, so we'll borrow it. It will become 3. This will become 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So we'll write the answer here. Quotient is 208 and remainder is 15. Understood?